Yeah. Hey, hey. Only one body goes inside the. Yeah. Only one body goes inside the. Yeah. I do what I want without asking. I made it a habit for me just to have it. To please everybody, I think I would need 20 copies, but only one body goes inside the casket. Can I do minimum wage? Why am I so out of shape? Maybe because I don't go to the gym enough. But when I do, I be getting bucks. I never thought about giving up, but I'll give it up if you rob me. I know you gotta pay bills too, so I don't care what the cause be. My nigga Keon from Boston, but he never spillin' the Tito's. Switch up the flow like I switch up my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chef Vern. You know it's Sunday. Know what that means? It's time for another food vlog. As you can see, I'm in the car right now. I'm about to head to the market, get some items, some supplies, some ingredients, because today we throwing down. And I'm making fried chicken, mac and cheese, and broccoli. And it's gonna be lit because I gotta put the Chef Vern flavor in that thing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the market. So as you can see, I'm back in the crib now with all these groceries, all these ingredients. Man, it's about to be a motherfucking feast in here. So you know, first things first, gotta get your water going. Don't mind the pot, it's an older pot. Put a little bit of salt in that water. First thing I did, about 2 tablespoons. You can add more, you can add less. Next thing you wanna do, get some oil in that thing, because oil make your pasta not stick. Now y'all about to find out, cilantro is one of my favorite herbs. I use it in everything. Chop the bottom off, chop it up real fine. You'll see me go over the cilantro to make sure it's fine enough to saute, add some flavor to that thing. We need the flavor. Another favorite of mine, broccoli. It's so versatile. You can saute it, roast it, put it in soups. It's just fucking awesome with everything. Y'all see me cut the root off these things, and I'm cutting the florets into bite-sized pieces to which I want to cook with. You can cut them bigger or smaller, your preference. But to everybody that loves this vegetable, enjoy this little montage. Our salted water is boiling. Go ahead and add your pasta. Now I'm about to go ahead and slice this shallot. Shallots are very, very flavorful. I would recommend you put shallots in everything. Saute them bad boys up. Woo, that's all you need. I'm telling you. Believe me, that's all you need. So I'm just peeling the skin off, and I'll get these a nice fine julienne, because I'm going to saute these with the broccoli. Next step is to strain your pasta after it's boiled. I repeat, do not cool your pasta. When making macaroni, I like to keep the pasta hot so I can add my ingredients to it. As you see, I add some heavy cream, I add some cheeses, you know, a variety of cheeses. I even had some secret ingredients in here that I can't tell y'all what I added, because I can't have y'all making the same mac and cheese that I make. And you see me mixing that thing up, trying to get it to the right consistency where I want it. I added some more ingredients, you know. One of my secrets I let y'all see, cream cheese. That shit makes it so beautiful. I'm sorry for my language. I'm just so excited about this mac and cheese. It was so good. So damn good. Enjoy this. As you see, I came back and added more cheese, because you can never have a not too cheesy macaroni. Cheesy macaroni is the best macaroni. Look at that thing right there. Oh man, it's so cheesy. So beautiful. That macaroni was to die for. Look at it. Oh, look at that cheesy thing right there. Man, I'm hungry now thinking about this mac and cheese. I just put this in the oven for a quick second just to get it hot. Now, another thing y'all about to find out, I love dark chicken. Like, dark meat chicken is the best. Chicken thighs, drums, all that. So we got a bunch of chicken legs here, whole legs. So we just cut them things in half. And you know, about 10 chicken legs later, I'm finished with them, putting them in a bowl so I can go ahead and marinate them things up, because you're making the buttermilk fried chicken today, and that shit gonna be so wham. So as you can see, I threw a little bit of black pepper in there, threw some kosher salt in there, and I prefer kosher salt over that iodized salt. The iodized salt is trash. That kosher salt, you know, just how much salt you need to add. Threw some paprika in there for a little bit of cook. I threw some fresh garlic in there as well. And I finished it off with the buttermilk, which you'll see. And I just mixed it up and I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to get that flavor. Because we all about the flavor, baby. As you can see, we sauteing the garlic, the shallot, the cilantro. And usually you can use any kind of liquid, but I love chicken stock. And I took my cooked blanched broccoli, blanched it for about 30 seconds in boiling hot water, and just sauteed it in all that flavor, because that gives it so much flavor. It's so good. You want to upgrade your broccoli? Use chicken stock, garlic, and shallots. You'll change your life. Season it up some salt and pepper. And people gonna ask me, hey, Chef Vern, why your mac and cheese look like that? I promise you, my mac and cheese is way cheesier than your mac and cheese. Don't let people fool you with them crusty tops who don't know how to make mac and cheese. You can make mac and cheese so many ways. So many ways. On to the next step. I let the chicken sit out for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it marinate a little bit. Then mix in that seasoned flour. You can mix your flour with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, Saison, whatever flavor profiles you want. Mix them all in your flour. Gives it a better texture, a better flavor. Drop it in right into that oil. Boom, let that thing sizzle. Look at that chicken right there, nice and cooking. And you know, one thing, if your chicken is not done after you fry it, don't be scared to throw it in the oven, because some chicken pieces are bigger, more dense. So throw them in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes. Let them cook. It's going to be the same flavor, same crunchiness. You know, chicken looking good. Man, everybody loved this dish. Flavor profile, texture, all that. They loved it. So as y'all can see, back in the house, another day, home cooking. If you want to call my bluff, you don't think that shit was good? Follow the video. Let me know what you would do better. Let me know what you would do different. It's your boy Chef Vern. You know, like, tell a friend, comment, double tap, put on your story, share. Show me some love. Appreciate y'all. Peace.